score. I'm about to get the high score. Oh, wait, you guys? Well, I guess while you guys are here, we'll play a couple of games. Not this one. Why does he look at me like that? What's your problem? What's your problem, man? You got a staring problem? I can't run down the stairs, because then my animation will stop. I love doing that to people. So if you don't remember, or you didn't watch last episode, I bought... Where is it? Charlie. For some reason. No idea what he's gonna be like. Sorry for the random Snapchat notification. I can't get him to stop. What is that? What is that? Nah, I'm out. Okay, we got Charlie. Got the excuse me sir guy. I'm not gonna call him that. We got Charlie from Charlie's Inferno. Wait, why does this fit? Ah, wait. How the fuck do I counter that? Yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm not going to be using Charlie. I only saw one of his abilities, but got blicked down immediately. Playing taunt. Still don't know if the taunt skin yourself is broken or not. Also, do not harass anyone in this video. And I do not own any of this music. What is that thing? I hate that thing. Bros fell out of the map 2 times. Damn. Why is 1X here? It is 1X. It's 1X! Yo, it's 1X! Is that supposed to be an excuse for a zipper mouth? Or is that just some silver drool coming out of his autistic, retard looking face? characters you can play in this game, noob. In Subject 1 at that. Two-time, what are you doing? Please don't ever do that. Oh, it's Cloak. I thought it was two-time. What is he doing? Is that the Bite by Night Springtrap emote? Yeah, I forgot to turn up the sound for you guys. Sorry. Like that's gonna help you. I thought it was naked for a second, to be honest. Wait, what? The camera stopped moving for the animation. That's weird. Fire Slasher, that means nothing. The skin looks good, but it doesn't mean skill in this game. Why the fuck is my... Why? Is it the hat that messes it up? Now I gotta look like this shit? Thanks, I am an immortal being. I now suck this into my arm. Hold up. Ouchie. That kind of hurt.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss.
Why is he going specifically after me? What did I do? Just because I whiffed one taunt, he's gonna go after me? Come on, man. I did not lose.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss.
I actually taunted him. So the skin is broken. a Scream Jam map? How come Jimmy ain't in this game? One of these days they're gonna accept my peace offer. Well, this is not what I wanted. Well, damn it. Hold on, I want to see something. Did she get any new skins? Yourself? Ah, but she kind of sucks though in a game like this. No info. Support. That's only like 2 moves.
You gotta use self skin on this one too.
What is this? I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. Stop breathing so heavy. Damn. Bruh. Did they only do one voice line for that move? Fuck that. didn't go well. When did they make that emote? Why is my things not loading? This guy again. Well, I think I've eaten ass enough. So I think I'm gonna leave it there. Bye, guys.